If you create weld beads or fillet beads to indicate welds in your parts and assemblies, SOLIDWORKS has ways you can show these in a 2D drawing. Here I have a drawing for a weldment part that already has a few weld bead features created. SOLIDWORKS gives you the ability to add something called a weld table to the drawing, which lists all the welds in the part or assembly along with their properties. The process is just like adding a bill of materials or cut list. To do so, go to Insert, Tables, Weld Table. Next, you must select a drawing view so that SOLIDWORKS knows where to pull the weld data from. As soon as you select a view, the Weld Table Property Manager appears. The properties here are pretty much identical with what you've seen when adding other tables, so I'll leave the defaults and click the green check. Now I can click to place the table on the drawing sheet. By default, the weld size, symbol, length, material, and quantity are added, but you have full customization capabilities for the weld table. Just like bills of materials, cut lists, and other tables, you can rearrange it, add rows and columns, link to properties, and so on. By the way, one other thing to note about drawings that contain welds. Since weld beads are features and not separate components, there's a bidirectional associativity between the weld symbols on the part and assembly level and the drawing annotations. You can use the Insert Model Items tool to automatically pull the weld symbol, caterpillars, and end caps annotations from the model instead of adding them manually now.